Okay, this is Kimby's cake.
We need some candles, guys.
And her balloons.
We forgot to put the sequins.
Oh, mommy. Hello, the balloon.
Oh yeah, I gotta fix the balloon. Oops.
It says,
Somebody
happy
open
birthday,
up those candles.
Kimby.
Here, I'll open them. Give me the candles.
Alan, you're gonna fall, baby.
Now let me see. I gotta put it on something that'll hold it.
For the cameras. Not gonna be that one picture. Oh, we need to get you in front of your face.
Let him do it. Roll it. There you go. Madison, come here. Come say hello. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
What is it today?
Kimby's birthday.
Kimby's birthday?
Yep.
Are you having fun?
Yep.
Let's see your slippers. Those are your ballerina slippers? Those are isotoner slippers or ballerina slippers?
For real?
Yeah, they're ballerina slippers. There you go. Do us a little ballerina dance. All right, turn around. On your toes.
So you're really happy with it.
Turn around on your toes, you know.
Like this?
Yeah, I go this way and do it.
Did we surprise you?
You're a beautiful ballerina.
They're playing basketball.
Hi, baby.
Oh.
They're having fun.
Mommy, can I put one in? Mommy, can I put one?
I'm gonna
Oh yeah,
pick
you
it up
gotta
cake.
put this on the computer.
Can I put one?
Oh, we gotta put this
Oh,
one
there's
over
her
here.
candles.
What kind have you got? No, you need a polka dot one there.
Happy birthday.